In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start chatting with ChatGPT 2026 guide. Whether you're brand new or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through getting in, sending your first message, keeping conversations organized, and solving the most common hiccups so you can feel confident from your very first chat. Let's start with access and authentication. Open your favorite web browser and go to chat.openai.com. In the top right, click the login button. If this is your first visit, choose Sign Up to create an account. You'll be prompted to enter an email address and create a strong password. Pick something unique and hard to guess, and then complete the email verification step sent to your inbox. That quick verification links your account and activates access to the chat, so be sure to finish it before moving on. Once you're logged in, you'll land in the main chat interface. This is your workspace. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the message box. Click into it, type your question or task in everyday language, and press enter or select the send icon. ChatGPT will reply almost immediately, and you can keep the conversation going naturally, like a text thread. For clearer results, add a little context, mention your goal, the audience, or the style you want, and don't hesitate to follow up if you need the answer refined. If your question is complex, a couple of concise sentences often work better than a single long paragraph. To manage conversations, start fresh when you're switching topics, or if you don't want previous context to carry over. Look for the new thread or clear chat option near the top of the window. Creating a new space helps keep each discussion focused and makes it easier to revisit later. Remember, the chat is versatile. Use it to unpack complex questions, outline and edit writing, draft messages, or just think through ideas. The clearer your request, the more targeted and useful the response will be. If you run into technical issues, a couple of quick checks usually resolve them. First, confirm your internet connection is stable if responses pause or fail. Even brief connectivity drops can interrupt a reply. Second, make sure your web browser is up to date. Running the latest version helps the interface load correctly and prevents display or input glitches. Most modern browsers work great when they're current, and that is all for today. Setting up your account and starting your first chat is the first step toward mastering AI productivity. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see